Our previous uploaded video was about the Limbe Botanic Garden. From there, we proceeded straight to Seme Beach.
Visit Cameroon, visit Seme Beach.
Visit Cameroon, visit Seme Beach.
Now, this is the content we signed up for. Can we skip to the good part? So we came in Limbe to check the coastal city, how it looks like, and the same day we had a lot of activities to do inside and a lot of places to check out. So we made a turn to Seme Beach quickly. It was afternoon and we were rushing. The same day we had to go back to Yaoundé. But the most important part of this video is at least to show you Seme Beach. In case you would want to come to Cameroon, or if you are in Cameroon, you would want to go see Seme Beach, you will have an idea how it looks like. I'm sure if we could come during the day, we could find a lot of places, but I found it more suitable when it's only us and the beach and the water and the vibes and the energy and everything. If you come here, you can play volleyball and other types of sports like basketball as indicated. This is the swimming area. Thanks for coming to Seme Beach. Subscribe for more.